Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Begin by preparing the car. Sit in the driver's seat, close doors, set the parking brake. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine so gauges illuminate. Do not crank the starter. Locate the trip/odometer reset button on the instrument cluster, typically a small black push button near the speedometer or below the cluster. This 2012 Ford Fiesta requires the cluster button for the only way to reset the oil light. The radio, or infotainment, does not offer an oil reset menu. To perform the reset sequence, press and hold the trip/odometer reset button until the digital display begins to flash or change, roughly 10 seconds. While still holding the button, turn the ignition OFF and keep the button depressed for about 5 seconds to let the system register the input. Next, without releasing, turn the ignition back to on and continue holding until the display confirms an oil life reset or shows 100% oil life. Release the button only after the 100% message appears. After the display shows 100% or the oil light is extinguished, verify the reset by turning the ignition OFF and then starting the engine to confirm the indicator stays off. If the light remains, repeat the exact sequence once more. If it still persists, check battery voltage and electrical connections or consult a technician. Finally, record the oil change date and mileage in your log. The typical service interval recommended for many Fiestas is between 5,000 and 7,500.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.